Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ferrari LaFerrari in Forza Horizon 5. This iconic hypercar isn't found in the auto show directly. Instead, you'll need to complete a specific challenge, collecting almost all other Ferrari models available in the game. This unique acquisition method makes the LaFerrari a true prize for dedicated players. Let's dive into the details of how you can add this incredible vehicle to your garage. Your journey begins by acquiring Ferraris through standard in-game methods. The auto show is your first stop, offering many models for direct purchase. Don't forget to utilize your wheel spins and super wheel spins, as these can randomly grant you valuable Ferrari cars, potentially saving you millions of credits. Always check the auto show first, as prices there are often more stable and sometimes cheaper than the fluctuating auction house. Beyond buying, some Ferraris are earned by completing specific accolades, which are in-game challenges. Keep an eye on these for free additions to your collection. The auction house is another option for harder-to-find models, but proceed with caution. Prices can be very high, sometimes reaching 20 million credits, and there's a risk of encountering cars with unofficial modifications. Always verify before making a large purchase. Once you've gathered 26 different Ferrari models, the LaFerrari will automatically unlock as your reward in the car collection menu. This is the definitive way to secure this magnificent hypercar for your garage. It's a rewarding process that truly tests your dedication to the brand within Forza Horizon 5. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your real-world space as clean as your virtual garage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.